Hello and welcome to my division video. I tried recording this once, and then I got a phone call in the middle and it interrupted it. So, I'm currently halfway done, but I'll catch you up. So, for division, we're going to be starting out with 462 divided by 3, and I put that into hundreds, 4 of them, 10, or 6 tens, and then 2 ones for 462. And then I also drew these 3 baskets down here because we're dividing it into 3 baskets. This is kind of like the apples to baskets method that we kind of learned in class. I guess not in class, this is an online class, but still. So I put at least 100 in each basket because there's 400s, so we can put at least 1 in each. But you'll notice how there's 1 left over right here. So we're going to put a 3 underneath of our 4 to show that we used 3 of the hundreds. And then I'm going to kind of do like this. Like we use 3 of the hundreds, and then 4 minus 3, because that's like the 1 left over because we used up 3 of them over here. Next, we're going to try putting, or before I get too ahead of myself, we're going to use this 100, and we're going to make it into tens. So if we're using this 100 and making it into tens, there is 10 tens in 100. So we're going to add 10 of our tens to our tens that we already have, which will give us 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. So we're going to end up with 16 tens, which is a lot, and we're going to try to divide that into 3. So if we divide 16 by 3, we get a little bit over 5 for each one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we put 5 tens into each basket. My fault, you probably couldn't see that. And we're going to kind of just cross these out. But then we have 1 10 remaining, and we're going to do the same thing as we did before. And we're going to move that into our ones. But before we do that, we're going to put, we're going to go back over to our algorithm model, and we're going to show that we moved our 6 down to show that we have 16 tens, and that we used 15 of them. So that gives us 1 10 left over, and then we're going to pull down our 2 to show that we're going to end up having 12 ones by making this 10 into a bunch of ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so now we have 12 ones over here, and we're going to try to divide these 12 ones into 3 baskets, and that's going to end up giving us 4 ones per basket. So you can see I kind of just put them on top of my baskets right here. Now we can kind of look at just one of our baskets, and that will end up giving us our answer. But before we do that, I kind of forgot to do up here. So basically we are going to have like the leftover 1 from right here is going to go right here. Leftover 5 is going to go up there as well. And then because we're doing divided by 3, 12 divided by 3 ends up giving us 4 ones. And we're going to put that up there as well. Don't mind my awful handwriting. It's kind of hard to do it from this angle. But then we have our answer up here at the top of 154, which we can also look at this basket. We have 100, 5 tens, and 4 ones, which gives us a grand total of 154. And that is what 462 divided by 3 is. So, a little bit of a struggle, but we did get there in the end. So hopefully this shows my knowledge of how to do division using the long division method and breaking it down into base 10 models.